Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not joining games on your laptop. First, let's cover some quick and easy solutions. Always begin by checking your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial. Next, try restarting both the Roblox application and your entire laptop. It's also wise to confirm that Roblox's servers are up and running and that your game client is fully updated to the newest version. These simple steps often resolve many common issues. Moving on, let's look at system and software-related fixes. Sometimes, security software like antivirus or firewalls can block Roblox. Try disabling them temporarily. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or even switching browsers, can also help. Crucially, ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their latest versions for optimal performance. Finally, running Roblox as an administrator can provide the necessary permissions for it to function correctly. Now, let's tackle network and compatibility issues. Flushing your DNS cache can resolve connectivity problems by refreshing network settings. Also, verify that your laptop's date and time settings are perfectly accurate, as incorrect settings can cause authentication failures. If problems persist, a complete reinstallation of Roblox can fix corrupted game files. Don't forget to check for and install any pending Windows updates, as these often include important compatibility fixes. For more advanced troubleshooting, you might need to configure your firewall specifically to allow Roblox access. In some cases, using a virtual private network, or VPN, can help bypass network restrictions that might be preventing you from joining games. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your problem and contact Roblox support directly. Lastly, always double-check that your laptop meets Roblox's minimum system requirements for smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.